welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film this video. I'm getting ready to go to one of my good friends' birthday dinners, and I was like, ooh, let me film a video really quick just showing me getting ready. So it's not an intended tutorial, it's just me getting cute, sis. My lips, so you're gonna see in the video that I put on a lipstick and then I put on a liquid lipstick on top of that, simply because I wanted my lips to have some type of moisture at the bottom. As you guys know, when you put on like a liquid lipstick, it's going to dry your lips out, unless it's like a really good one. It's going to dry your lips out, and I didn't want that because I'm going out and be around people. I didn't want my lips like cracking and peeling. So tip, I have a lipstick at the bottom, and then a liquid lip. I can't even talk. I have a liquid lip at the top. It's time for me to go. I hope that you guys enjoy the look. I really like it. This wig here that I have on is actually a wig that I make. You guys know you guys may not know. I'm thinking you guys are like filling the loop. Some of you may know that I make and I sell wigs. So this wig here is one of my wigs that I made, and my hair too that I sell. So if you're interested, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, mainly Instagram. You'll see my wigs. If I have my Instagram page up by then, check the description box. You'll see how you can purchase one. But sis, this unit is on fleek, and it's a closure unit. So anyways, okay, that's it. I gotta go, y'all. Like, I really gotta go. Bye, y'all. I love you. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boos. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Okay, what's up, y'all? So y'all see I have Milk of Magnesia on my face. I've already primed my eyelids. Now all I'm doing is clearing my base, as I always say. I'm just putting concealer there. I know you guys had some questions in my last video about the Milk of Magnesia, so I'm going to come back and talk about it. This is something I've just been using on and off for the past couple years, and as you guys have seen, my skin has just always just like improved. So I'll give more detail on it later, because I know a lot of people have their reserves. All I'm doing is going in with a simple brown eyeshadow. This look only has 2 colors. I wanted to do something really simple because I was getting ready on my way out, and again, it's just a simple look. Like, I didn't want to create this into a tutorial. You can do this. Anybody can do it. The next color is just simply an orange color. This is from that Morphe 3502 palette. Listen, sis, if you ain't got it, you just not listening to me. You can come up with endless looks with this palette, yo. And this is just an orange color and a brown color. That's it. Like, I wanted something simple. And all you got to do just to make these colors work is blend. As you see, I'm just blending these two together. And that's really it. Like, 1, 2, 3. Eyeshadows are only difficult if you make it. So now we're just going to move right on to the face. Now, I did get some questions about this. Someone asked me, do I conceal before or after? This right here is a concealer, but I also use it as a highlight color. I like to conceal either way, but for now, I'm just concealing under my foundation. So this is the first thing I'm doing, and as you see, I'm really just like tapping it in just to conceal my darkness, and it gives me like this smooth base. And because I use it as a highlight color, I don't go in with concealer anymore after this. This is Beautiful Bronze by what? LA Girl. It's so pretty. Look at that. Like, my face is smooth. And then I just go in with my Maybelline Fit Me, sis. I'm geeked up. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Again, I wear this all the time. It is the, what is this? The matte Poreless one. Because y'all know I'm a matte girl. And I just like it. Like, it works really well. And as you see, it's going on top of that concealer really good. So my darkness is concealed. And because of this, I didn't want... Now, of course, you could go in with a highlight color, a brighter color. But I didn't want that. And I switch it up. Sometimes you'll see in my tutorial where I may add another color. I might just have to show you guys another tutorial where I put a color on top of that. But for my newbies, no. I just wear it just like this. And then I go in with my undereye powder. This is Topaz. And I just put it right on top. Go ahead. And I like to really push this into the skin, y'all, because it just melts into the skin. As you see, as I'm just pushing it in, it's just really melting into the skin. It's, oh God, I like it. I really do. And that's just my highlight right there. Just that. And then I'm going to go in with contour. And somebody asked me again what I use for contour. Eyeshadow. Any brown eyeshadow that you have. I wouldn't suggest you going in with black, you know, but this right here is just a regular eyeshadow, and that's what I use to replace the Queen Latifah. Y'all remember the Queen collection by CoverGirl, and she had that bronzer? I used to love that before I really ain't know how to appreciate that bronzer, but I really wish I had it. But anyways, since I don't have that no more, I just go in with this. Now the Black Radiance, they have a contouring palette. That's a really good one too if you're looking for that. You can find that at Walmart, anywhere. So I'm just brushing this off. I'm talking through this again. Y'all want me to shut up? Let me shut up for a minute. So this right here I'm adding is my face powder. You guys know I love face powder. It just brings everything together. I like to start it at the lower half of my face and then work my way up, and I lightly dust it under my eyes because, again, I don't want it to take away from the highlight powder from the Ben Nye. I just want to kind of like mesh those colors together, so I lightly just dust it under my eyes, and it's popping, honey. This is that Maybelline blush that I use. It'll be in the description box for you, but I just go ahead and I cut it out, but I put on like 2 layers of that. I don't think I need to add that into the editing. I just try to build that color on. This is my highlight. Girl, getting them cheeks popping. You know, the question is, will highlight ever go out? Like, we highlight all year round. Sis, I know I do. Don't tell me go out. It could be freaking 13 degrees outside. Guess who forehead gonna be blinging? I know when that forehead bling. Hey, it could only be Nene. This shit was lit. Okay, so this is my e.l.f. liquid liner. To be honest, y'all know I've been working with this liner for years, and it's really time for a new one. But I just don't believe that I should be spending $17 for a liquid liner. Like, I can't get myself to do that. I just be like, girl, let me go ahead. $149, shit. Okay, $2.99, thank you. Like, I just can't do it. I really cannot. But I'm wanting to search for a new one. Now here's my lips. I'm going in with MAC lipstick. I think this one is in Film Nior, and I'm going ahead and I'm putting this on because I'm putting on a liquid lipstick by Colourpop, and I wanted some moisture at the bottom because Colourpop's liquid lipsticks can tend to chip and dry out, and because I was hanging around people so you couldn't get me, so that's just it. I'm making sure this is popping. Now what I forgot to show you guys was me adding that inner tear duct color. I simply went in with that Glitz and Glam glitter, and I totally forgot to show you guys. So I'm just about to finish up my eyes, and that is just it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this very quick, nothing to a makeup tutorial. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey boos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye y'all. Mwah.